In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Jotform branding from a website. The process is quick and easy and will take you just about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, head over to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. This is the crucial first step to access all the settings you need. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the account settings. Click on your avatar and choose Settings from the drop-down menu. This is your go-to area for making changes to your account preferences. Next, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Jotform Branding. This section controls whether or not the Jotform branding appears on your forms. To remove it, simply untick the checkbox next to Show Powered by Jotform on my forms. Unticking this box is key to removing their branding and having a cleaner, more professional appearance for your forms. But that's not all. It's also important to check your autoresponder emails for any branding that might still be lingering at the bottom. To do this, remain in the settings area and look to the left side menu. Click on emails. This will open up your autoresponder and notification settings. From there, select the tab for your autoresponder emails. In this tab, you may need to scroll down a bit. If you've already unticked the Show Powered by Jotform box earlier, the branding at the bottom of these emails should have disappeared. Double check this to ensure that there's no remaining Jotform branding in the email sent to your audience. It's important to mention that the ability to remove Jotform branding from your forms becomes available once you have a paid subscription. This is a feature that comes with the upgraded versions of Jotform, providing more customization options for your forms and emails. Ensure you have a paid plan to access all these features effortlessly and give your users a seamless, branding-free experience. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to having cleaner, more personalized Jotform presentations and emails. And there you have it, a straightforward method to remove Jotform branding from your website and emails. By following these instructions, you maintain a professional look for your forms and communications. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to revisit these steps or reach out to Jotform support for further assistance. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.